James Hardie Fiber Cement offers many different styles and textures. Let's start with the siding. James Hardie offers lap siding, which is a horizontal panel. This comes in many different textures. It comes with what they call their Select Cedar Mill, which has got a wood grain texture to it. They offer a smooth product as well. And then they also offer a beaded option. Of those, of course, the wood grain is the most popular option that we see. Most people want real wood siding. They just don't want the maintenance that comes along with it. So what we've got is a man-made product that replicates wood siding almost to a T. You know, most homeowners who don't have the experience in looking at this particular product would look at it and not know that it's a man-made option. They offer several different vertical panels as well. There's Sierra 8, which is a 4x8, 9, or 10 that's got a groove every 8 inches. It's got a nice texture to it as well. They offer a smooth sheet, which is where we replicate what we see here in Kansas City very often, which is board and batten siding. A lot of homeowners have masonite. Being that product had a class action lawsuit against it many years ago, a lot of times people want nothing to do with what that product looks like. They offer Stucco Sheets, which is a way to still get that stucco look, but not maybe some of the problems that come along with an acrylic or a traditional stucco. In addition to the siding itself, of course, they offer many different trim pieces and soffit pieces. Both of those come in a rough sawn or a smooth finish. Just like with the siding, primarily people are selecting to go with that rough sawn look for many different reasons. One, it looks more like wood. Two, the fasteners are hidden and not as visible with those particular pieces as well.